Hey BYD family, welcome back to BYD Insider, your trusted channel for smart upgrades and accessories for your BYD Atto 3. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical and protective accessories you can install, the car body and door mud flaps, also known as splash guards, designed specifically for the BYD Atto 3, also known as the Yuan Plus. So why are mud flaps a must-have? First, they shield your car's body from mud, stones, water splashes, and road debris. Every time you drive in wet or rough conditions, your wheels kick up particles that can scratch or damage your car's lower panels. Over time, that can lead to paint chips, corrosion, and higher maintenance costs. Second, these splash guards help keep your car cleaner for longer, especially the lower doors and rear fenders. That means fewer trips to the car wash and a vehicle that always looks fresh and sharp. Third, these mud flaps are custom designed to fit the BYD Atto 3 perfectly. You don't need to drill or cut anything. Just follow the simple installation steps I walk you through in the video. Whether you're a DIY beginner or car enthusiast, this is a quick, satisfying project that delivers long-term protection. The material is durable, weather-resistant plastic, which means it stands up to rain, snow, and dirt without cracking or fading. And yes, I've included the exact link to buy the same mud flaps I used, right below in the description. So you can install with confidence, knowing it's the right fit. I've now reviewed over 50 accessories for the BYD Atto 3, from performance parts to protective gear, all tested and reviewed right here on BYD Insider. If you're enjoying this content and want more tips, installs, and must-have accessories, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Now, let's get those mud flaps installed and protect your ride the smart way.